At select Albertsons Market stores, we're accepting online SNAP EBT card payments for drive-up and delivery orders, so our guests can get the same service they know and love from Albertsons Market, in-store or online. First, visit albertsonsmarket.com and sign into your rewards account. Next, select your preferred store for drive-up or delivery. Now it's time to start shopping. Add your preferred SNAP EBT qualifying products to your cart. Filter by SNAP EBT eligible items for an even easier shopping experience. Ready to check out? Click the cart icon to begin the checkout process. Review your order and click Checkout. Next, select Pickup or Delivery. Choose your pickup or delivery date and time, and then click Save. Click the checkbox for Add a new credit, debit, or EBT card and click Place Order. Enter your EBT card information. Check the box that says Check Balance. Then enter your card's PIN number. After you view your balance, check the box that says Apply SNAP Balance. If you have a remaining balance, select your additional payment method and select Apply, followed by Place Order. Provide your PIN when prompted. You'll receive an email with updates about your order and a text message when your order is ready. Our personal shoppers will take it from there.